Shopify just announced a major Spring 2026 update, your products optimized for AI. If you are one of the Shopify merchants who want their products to show up in AI shopping channels, this is the kind of change you should not ignore. It could affect how you sell, how you operate, or how customers interact with your brand. Here is the simple explanation. Shopify gets your products into AI channels automatically, with performance tracking, sales attribution, and guidance on missing data that could improve conversion. That means Shopify is not only adding a small feature, Shopify is pushing merchants toward a more connected commerce system where AI shopping, agentic commerce, Shopify Catalog work together instead of sitting in separate tools. This is not just an AI headline, it changes where customers can discover and buy products. For a small merchant, this can save time. For a growing brand, it can reduce manual work and unlock new opportunities. For an agency or developer, it creates a new way to build services around Shopify stores. Imagine a merchant who sells online, runs campaigns, manages inventory, and deals with customer questions every day. Before this update, that merchant might need several apps, spreadsheets, or manual checks. With your products optimized for AI, the workflow becomes more direct. The store owner can use Shopify's new capability to make decisions faster and reduce the amount of repetitive admin work. Before you jump in, open your Shopify admin and check whether this feature is available for your plan, your region, and your sales channels. Also check your current apps, theme, checkout setup, customer accounts, and any automations that might be affected. If this is a developer update, review the official Shopify developer documentation before deploying changes on a live store. The biggest mistake is thinking every new Shopify feature should be enabled immediately. First, understand the benefit. Second, test it safely. Third, make sure your customer experience still feels clean and trustworthy. A feature that looks powerful can still hurt conversion if it is used without a clear strategy. My opinion, your products optimized for AI is worth watching closely because it shows where Shopify is moving in 2026. Shopify is making commerce more automated, more AI connected, and more centralized inside the platform. If you want more Shopify updates explained in plain English, subscribe to Ecom Premium and watch the next video.